Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC, and we're here at SC15 in Austin, Texas. And I'm here with a panel of HPE customers to talk about HPE and the future of high-performance computing at SC15. So why don't we start with a round of questions. If you could first start with you, Carlos. Tell us who you are, your title, and who you help at your institution.
Okay, for us, Hewlett Packard was the very best support to make supercomputing. Our platform, 128 Fermi Tesla GPUs, is the most important platform in Colombia now. And we develop different projects, for example, for healthcare, for environmental needs, for forecasting, oil and gas. So it's a very, very interesting platform to perform science and research.
Terrific. I think I know you're from Pittsburgh, aren't you?
Yes. I have my Steelers uniform on. I'm Jim Kasdorf, Director of Special Projects at the Pittsburgh Supercomputing Center. Since 1986, the Pittsburgh Supercomputing Center has been serving the needs of United States university-based researchers. We're part of the National Science Foundation's Exceed program.
So, George, can you tell us more about who you are and who your institution is and who you help?
Yes, I'm Georgios, Nikolis. I work for the German Cancer Research Center at the High Throughput Sequencing Unit. We do sequencing for the university clinics and help treat patients using precision oncology methods.
Okay, so George, how is high-performance computing helping your organization achieve its goals?
Yes, naturally, with the technology we use, we produce huge amounts of data every week, and data has to be reliable, and we have to know that is reliable. That means we have to run extensive quality controls on the data coming out of sequencing instruments. This is computationally demanding operation, and we need a high-performance computing infrastructure that we can rely on.
So, Mr. Kasdorf.
Yes, sir.
How is HPC helping you guys achieve your mission?
Our mission is to provide researchers.
Sure.
We're currently building a system with HPE called Bridges, which will extend the use of HPC to new communities of users beyond the traditional solvers of partial differential equations.
And things involving like big data involved with that as well?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Carlos, same question for you. How's HPC helping you guys achieve your mission?
Yeah, of course, for us, HPC is one of the main pillars to make development. So now Colombia is a developing country with interest in economic growth. So now with HPC, our enterprises or the academic institution are more competitive domains. Of course, it's more enjoying the fact to make science now using HPC.
All right, Carlos, I'll start with you on the third and final question. Why did you choose HPE, to deliver your HPC infrastructure?
In fact, for us, HPE was the enterprise to make easy the computation in Colombia.
Yeah.
So it's a young enterprise in fact for the other enterprise in Colombia. So for us it's very easy the communication with the people of HPE to make our projects, to make our faxing infrastructure, to make better the things to make HPC platforms. So it's a good communication with them. HPE really is an enterprise to make new challenges, and of course, we are young in this HPC environment in the world, so it's very nice to work with HPE.
Terrific. So, Jim, you guys worked with HPE for a long time, but
well, yes, that is certainly one of the bigger reasons we've had a long and successful relationship with HP, now HPE. And we are working with them to build bridges because they are willing to work with us as partners. much more than a vendor-customer relationship. We're working in partnership to develop this unique system.
Yeah, this wasn't just some kind of off-the-shelf kind of box.
Oh,
wasn't
no.
this? You had to architect this for this mission, didn't you?
Yes, and the top-tier machine you saw, the Integrity Superdome X system was really developed for the SAP HANA market, not for HPC. And so we're sort of stretching the organization a little bit, and we're successfully doing that.
That's good. I think sounds like both sides will benefit there. So great. So Georgios, why did you choose HPE?
Yeah, this wasn't a coincidence. We in the German Cancer Research Center work with HPE or HP the years before that for a long time now, and particularly for the Apollo 6000 system, one of the main motivations was the density of the system. We don't are very flexible in our data centers, and being able to install more than 800 processors within 15 rack units was amazing.
That was a good density differentiator for you, it sounds like. Terrific.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, gentlemen, I want to thank you for coming to this panel discussion for HPE, and I hope you have a great week at SC15 in Austin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.